Hey, welcome back. This is going to be an unboxing of the power adapter extension cable I got from Apple. It attaches to the power brick and it's great if your power brick keeps falling out of the wall outlet or if your outlet's further away. I got it for $25 Canadian from the Apple Store. The cable is 1.8 meters and you can use it with older MagSafe and MagSafe 2 power adapters as well as the newest 67 watt, 96 watt, and 140 watt power adapters for the newest MacBook Pros. Alright, enjoy the unboxing.